as an intensifier. The word what is similar in meaning to the word very. It's a very beautiful day, or what a beautiful day. Notice here there is no verb and there's no subject. There's a noun and this is an adjective, and this word increases the meaning of both of these words. You could also remove the word beautiful and say, what a day. What a day. The meaning is understood to be beautiful because of the situation. If the situation were bad, then you would have a different meaning. If we change this to terrible, what a terrible day, or this has been a very terrible day, and you could just say, what a day, because people who listen to you speak understand that you mean the day was terrible. What a day. What fun. What does this mean? Well, it possibly means what a fun experience. What a fun experience. Or what fun. What a mess. Notice that there is no adjective here. You could say, what a terrible mess. However, in the situation in which this is said, it could be assumed to be terrible. Notice also that there's no subject or verb. You could add a subject and a verb after what a mess. What a mess he made. And now here's the subject, and then here's a verb. What a mess he made, and then the exclamation point. Or what a mess it is, exclamation point. Or what a mess we have to deal with, or what a mess we have to clean up. What a jerk. This word is used as a noun, usually for a man who is rude or does something really stupid. Or you could just say, what an idiot. Both of these are count nouns using an article. But if it's a non-count noun, then don't use an article. The word stupidity is a non-count noun. What stupidity? You can use what as an intensifier for both good and bad situations. What a sad story. Or what a great adventure. What a low price. Or what a lousy experience. There's no exclamation point. It's sufficient to end with a period when you're writing. And when you are speaking, you don't have to add any sort of emphasis. You can just say, what a sad story. Or what a great adventure. What a low price. What a lousy experience. By the way, the word lousy is similar to bad or terrible. What a lousy experience. What a terrible experience. I hope this video helped you understand a few things about using the word what. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in the comment section, you can say something about the video. You can say what, and then the adjective here, and then you would use the word video. And be honest. You could say it was boring. What a boring video. Or what a great video. It's your opinion.